exercises that follow with this. I'll go into more detail about what we're going to do with the body this week. The body pieces this week will include, here we are, that you are going to continue with your rule of 5s with the breaths. It's a daily thing. We need to make sure we breathe into our body. It's very, very important. The water is, again, terribly important. So if you've fallen off the bandwagon with the water, notice how much water you drink. Coffee, juices, carbonated beverages, do not include in your water intake because those things dehydrate you or make your body acidic. We want to make sure our body's alkalinized. Are you moving? So we talked about that early on. Make sure you're having some movement, exercise, activity. So the body in motion continues to feel well. And this week, the shift will be with the food, and it's increasing the number of vegetables that you take, as well as the fruits. We want to make sure that you're taking 6 to 7 servings of your fruit. And fruit is ideally best served as fuel to the body when you ingest it in the morning, at the very latest by 2 o'clock. Now, if you go to bed at 8 p.m., you really want to bring that back earlier because you're obviously up much earlier. If you get up at 10 o'clock because of your work or your lifestyle, and you go to bed at midnight or 2, then, that 2 p.m., there's a little bit of wiggle room with that. But in the morning, it's best to have that fruit, those 6 to 7 servings of fruit completed. And your vegetables, lots of vegetables. So we want to fuel the body with excellent nutrition. If you take supplements and other things, just be aware of what's in them because there'll be weeks coming up that we want to remove things that have sugar substitutes because they can cause a variety of gut disturbances, as well as the sweeteners can affect the brain chemistry. So they're impairing your thought processes. So even though you can be doing all the thinking and the thought processes, if you're feeding your body garbage and things that are not going to serve it well, or things that you think are serving it well and are not serving you well, it affects your brain, it affects how you move, it affects how you feel. And we want the mind and the body to become one